Welcome to PocketDump.com. I'm going to run through the functions of the Victorinox Deluxe Tinker. So this is in the classic Swiss Army knife red with the Victorinox logo. It has these super tough ABS Cellidor scales and a keyring attachment, so you can attach this to keys or a lanyard. Tools wise, has a super tough Phillips screwdriver, a really useful multi-purpose hook, and a reaming punch tool. So this acts as a needle punch. It's got a little hole there, and this has got a sharpened edge, so you can create or widen holes in tough materials such as leather. It has a small, super sharp stainless steel blade, which measures 1.5 inches. It has a second, larger blade, also stainless steel, and this measures just shy of 2.5 inches. Now, as they're both blades are under 3 inches and non-locking, non-assisted, this means it's a legal UK carry. We then have a good sized pair of scissors with the spring feature. A very useful pair of pliers, also sprung. And just here there is a section for crimping wires. Then we have the manual can opener with a sharpened section to open a tin can, and the tip is shaped to act as a flathead screwdriver. We then have the bottle opener, and the top is shaped to be a slightly larger flathead screwdriver, and there's a small recess just here to act as a wire stripper. It features a pair of tweezers and the toothpick. All in all, a really useful pocket tool, the Victorinox Deluxe Tinker.